Sendr. Personalize your sales outreach with AI. Cold outreach doesn't have to feel cold. Sendr helps you create personalized videos and landing pages for every contact without spreading your team thin. What's going on, my friends? It's Adam Ace Spencer here from marketingandsaleshelp.com, and we are jumping back into these videos introducing you to products here on AppSumo that you can purchase with a one-time fee for lifetime access. Yes, the best place to look for deals when it comes to powerful AI solutions, especially now, this particular week. It's AI week here on AppSumo, and I will be releasing a bunch of videos like this one, high-level overview videos, but I will also be making a video or two diving into some of these new products, because as you can see up here in my cart, yes, I will be purchasing a few of these products and one or two older apps that have already been on here, but maybe they're back or they have a deal, something of the sort that I want to take advantage of, and I think a lot of you guys out there will as well. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I release some new videos as I jump back into getting the ball rolling. Now, as you can see, Sendr, it allows you to send personalized videos, right? Scale personalized outreach with custom AI videos, dynamic pages, and enriched contact data. So dynamic pages and videos. You can record one video pitch and then use AI to personalize that content for every prospect. Also, add dynamic GIFs, audio, tailored messaging, and call to actions. Share proposals, demos, and pages with clients instantly. No need to upload or download. You can organize your contact list. So enrich, clean up, right? You can see over here, they give it to you in a spreadsheet kind of format, where you have access to all of the most important information when it comes to your prospects and their information. Find and validate emails, and then use Sendr to reach real decision makers with confidence. Insert custom variables like name, company, and job title to autofill them into pages and messages. And then automate your outreach. Use pre-built Zapier flows or GTM automations to automate video creation and delivery. Integrate triggers with your favorite existing platforms, boost replies, and save hours by letting Sendr handle follow-ups for you. Lastly, create faster on Chrome, so you can use the page template to record a video in the right setting and select your dynamic variables. Whip up tailored video pages with custom audio for these fields as you browse, personalizing existing videos in a few keystrokes. And lastly, share videos with prospects instantly without switching tabs. So again, incredibly powerful. The ability to personalize a video that you're sending to 100, 500, 1,000 plus prospects, prospects is going to help you increase your engagement. I'm like 1,000% certain that you will see, assuming the video itself is good, assuming you are sending it to the ideal client base that you're looking for, your ICP and whatnot, and it actually matches, you will see a higher number of leads and engagement utilizing a solution like Sendr. I can confidently tell you that, and based on my experience having worked with a company like HappyAct Interactive Video Software, where I literally sold interactive video software that allowed people to engage with videos in a personalized manner. HappyAct got bought out by Brightcove and like another company as well, and I saw firsthand the power of interactive videos and personalization within videos. Now, not the exact same solution, but this does have some interactive elements that you can apply to it, coupled with the personalization component, makes Sendr really, really appealing. And especially when you look at these, I would say, really cheap prices. I mean, $350 or $349 for tier 4. To me, this is like a no-brainer. Or at a minimum, I would go with a licensed tier 3. which is only $239. Again, lifetime access. You'll be able to send monthly credits. Yeah, monthly credits of 3,500 at license tier 3. License tier 4 is 5,500 credits. Voice clones, 10 for both of them, and unlimited templates. And then you can see all of the other features that are included. And I do want to show the difference between license tier 3 and 4 compared to 1 and 2, which is the custom domains, subdomains, API, no Sendr branding, workflow automations, Zapier templates, third-party embeds, and then a teleprompter. So, to me, going up to at least a license tier 3 or tier 4 seems like the obvious move to make. And, this is a fairly new product. So they've been around since October 1st, 2023, still startup, pre-seed. And, the founder left a little message here, ultimately letting you know, hey, this is the beginning of their experience here on AppSumo. Hopefully they'll be here for a long time, or at least they'll have a few appearances. You never know what, if a company is going to be here, for an extended period of time. So that is why you want to make sure you are taking advantage of these opportunities while they exist. Imagine getting in with, any of these products before they really take off to that next mainstream level, and being able to have lifetime access. Huge, especially at these incredibly affordable, cheap rates. I think this is a no-brainer if you are considering or already utilizing video as a part of your communication strategy, whether it's marketing, sales, even employee engagement, right? Sending videos internally to your employees, or like to a family member or something. I think it just makes it more personalized, right? And people appreciate that, right? Now, do you have the time to make a video for 500 people, separate videos saying each of their individual names, or having it written out in the video? And that's going to be time consuming. You probably don't. Sendr gives you that ability to do that with a affordable one-time lifetime access deal here at $349 or $239. And if you need something more affordable and you don't need these additional features, you could settle on a license tier 2 or tier 1 as well. But personally, I do not want the watermarks. I do want the access to automations and stuff, the APIs, custom domains, subdomains, the whole shebang. So we're definitely settling with a license tier 3 or 4 on my end. But what do you guys think about Sendr? Are you excited to give it a shot? It's new here on AppSumo, so I'm anxious to see how well it will do. Sometimes there are some gems that just don't really hit the first time around. Other times they just take off, and then they don't make an appearance again here on AppSumo. So, like I said, give it a shot if you are utilizing video or considering video, and you really want to create a more engaging, personalized experience to help you with capturing prospects, leads, and whatnot, or just, again, upselling your current customers, or helping to support your employees. There's so many different use cases I can see with utilizing Sendr. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. I do appreciate you guys for watching. I'm losing my voice. So on that note, like I said, you already know what it is. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.